Hello beautiful people. Let's unpack my shopping bag from IKEA. I have been at IKEA. So I needed a very big frying pan. I already break something. I do not want to break more. I want a frying pan which I can use to make my jollof rice and stuff like that. So I went to IKEA and bought this beautiful girl here. The problem is that when I was going to IKEA, I was thinking that things are cheap. But things has changed, guys. Things has changed. This is 500 krona, but the one that I wanted is like 2,000 krona. So better than none. I also bought this. This is something that almost every African have. We buy this because we have the habit of packeting food, you know. You go visit somebody and when you're going back home, they put food here and give you and you never give them back. So I bought this so I can keep giving food to my friends sometimes. I bought this because mine is very old and pressed. This is nice, but what I wanted is the bigger one. I couldn't find it at IKEA. I bought this. It was on sales. I paid 50 krona. Jeez, it's cheaper than a second-hand shop. Very cheap. I'm going to open it so we can see. I also bought this. Like when you are cooking sometimes and you do not want, or steaming something, you do not want the top to sweat, you can use this, especially in the summer. Guys, I bought this. When you are making video when you're cooking, this is very good. So you can cover your food and people can see what you're cooking. From under I have some. I don't know why I always buy these things from IKEA. So bought that one. And then I bought this. I bought two, guys. When I came home yesterday, put my bag down, I just break the other one. That was sad. It's broken. And I also bought 3 of these. They have more expensive ones. The expensive ones are 99 krona, but this is 19 krona, guys. It's so cheap. If you're going to put this in your toilet or in your bathroom, why not use the cheap one? It's okay. So, another one. Very handy if you're going to cook and video. And I bought this. These are one of the cheapest things I know you can buy from IKEA. Look at this. I think it's 60 krona. I do not remember. And we pay about 1,300 for everything here. So that was my IKEA shopping bag. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you this. I found this glass in IKEA. They're so nice. I have oil in my hands, you know. I have the original of this glass. They are so expensive. When I saw it in IKEA, I said I have to buy it. It was not very cheap. It was still like 30 krona. So I bought those. Let's see the quality of these. So I have to be careful because I did this to my bed. When I bought my bed, I was going to open it. I used the scissors and I destroyed it on the first day, guys. First day. I think this is very nice. Look at this. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's for putting hot things. Who know the wood one that IKEA always has? I think this is better than that one, really. Look at these.
This must be a new design. I have not seen this before at IKEA. Imagine putting some delicious fruit salad in this.
I love this. It's so nice. So the way I operate with things, I'm going to put them in the machine. Everything that I buy, even if it's clothes, I wash them first, guys. I really do. Wash them first. Let's look at this one. Is it not beautiful for 50 kroner? I'm going to try it and you guys will tell me what you think. Oh. Nice. Beautiful. So, if there's anything wrong with this pot, I will tell you guys later. But this is fantastic. It's not like the normal wood pan when the under is too small. This is just good for fried rice. So I have this and scissors. Scissors, please never use scissors to unbox anything. You will regret it. So they come like, oh, it's many. So they come like this. I've made some big fish. This is going to come handy. You just cut it and put it here and put it in the fridge. A portion of dinner, you see. This is one side, like this. And inside, you have this size. Oh, this is not the cover. But anyway, you have this size. You have this size. And you have a smaller one like that. So you can put sauce. Let's see what is inside here. I just want to show you the different sizes. It's 2 each. You have 2 of those. This one, you have 2. See? So that is it, guys. You have these small ones inside there. I'm going to pack everything.
I am going to pack everything here and put them in the machine and wash them. That's what I always do. And I am also going to try this beautiful frying pan. It looks so beautiful. I hope it is going to be good and that I'm going to be satisfied. It's a long time since I bought any pot from IKEA. This frying pan better be good. I'm going to let you guys know. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Really beautiful, and it looks expensive too.